Hello everyone, these are the instructions for Module 1 for the first few weeks of class. I got here by going to our content page and scrolling down to Module 1. Okay, so you'll see here that we do have a syllabus quiz coming up on the 26th of August, due before 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And remember, that is Tucson time. We also have the activities and voice thread, which is the introductory video. Okay, and here is where you will go to directly record your video. This is my video. Remember, you do need to leave a comment. Let's go back to getting started. And it does give you the instructions below. And then we also have to go to the VHL website to complete the activities. Remember, we don't have any activities due this weekend. On the 26th, we don't have activities until the 2nd of September, okay? And we will have these activities due at that time. You can also find them if you go to Content Activities, Lesson 6, Lección 6, El valor de las ideas, and it gives you the list of all the assigned activities. And you do need to go through each tab to make sure that you are completing all the activities that are due for the week. Okay, if you guys do have any questions about what's due, let me know. On our table of contents page, if you go to the important due dates, it does give you a list module by module of what will be due each week, the items that are going to be due and when they are due. So we do have the introductory video and the syllabus quiz. Make sure that you are completing these things. In addition to this, we always have VHL activities due every Sunday, with the exception of the first and the last week of school. So we also will have VHL activities due every Sunday. And then we're also going to have the dialogues that we do in VHL. Okay, so if you guys do have any questions about this, please let me know. This is what we'll be doing for Module 1.